Hey guys, thanks for watching one of our videos. Today we're going to talk about some knots. So the first knot we're going to be talking about is going to be the bowline knot, and the next knot we're going to be talking about is going to be the slip knot. So we're going to start with the bowline knot. To begin, we will have the tail end on the left side and the rest of the string on the right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a loop in the line. So how we do that is we pull the tail end over to your right and create a loop like this with the tail end over the line. So the next thing we'll do is we'll take the tail end and we'll pull it underneath the string and over the top of this, and we'll make it parallel with the rest of the string like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the tail end and we'll go underneath the rest of the line, over the top, and back into our loop that we made. And then we will pull it tight, tighten it up, and pull on it, and then pull on the rest of the string, cinch it up, and there you guys have it, a bowline. So the next knot we're going to be talking about is the slip knot. So we will begin the same way we did with the bowline knot, with the tail end on the left and the rest of the string on the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a loop again, same as the bowline, and we'll make a longer tail right here. And the difference between these knots is the bowline, you're going to bring it through here. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this end and bring it around, back, like that. And then what we do is we create a little pinch it right here. And what we do is we take that little bow and we bring it inside. And then we cinch it right here. So we're going to have a little bow here and a little tail here. And then what you do is you take the long end of the string and you pull it. And that tightens it down. And then difference between the bowline and this knot is that it's very easy to untighten. All you do is pull a little string and it untightens back, and that is the slip knot. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below and subscribe if you already haven't, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks.